Let's continue with the exercise part now. So, look at page number 16, children. Here you get a poem and you need to concentrate on it. You need to find out the words for filling the blanks as well as the rhyming words. So, let's check out what the poem is. I'm going to read the poem first. Just concentrate on it. So, the little spider crawled down the wall. The little spider crawled down the wall by using its web. The word for the blank is web, W-E-B, web. So it would not fall. It crawled to the bottom and back up again. Then thought to himself, what a fine game. So he called his friends to join the game, and they played all day till night time came. And when they had finished, they went off to bed and left all the wall covered in web. So let's find out the meaning of the poem. Here, this is the poem about a little spider. I think all of you have seen the spider, the insect, which will be stuck to the wall at your homes. Okay, so the little spider crawled down the wall. Crawled means moving with the stomach part. Moving the stomach part by using its web. How is it moving? It is moving with the help of its web. Web means the threads it goes on weaving around it. So that's called web. So by using its web, so it would not fall. Why it is using its web? So that it would not fall. It doesn't want to fall, so it's using its web to crawl down the wall. It crawled to the bottom and back up again. It crawled to the bottom, so it came down. Again, it went up and back up again. Again, it went up. Then thought to himself, what a fine game. So going up and coming down, it became like a game for the spider, and it's feeling it's very fine game. So he called his friends to join the game. Spider now is enjoying the crawling up and down game, and he called his friends also to join the game, to join him. And they played all day till night time came. So all the friends joined together and they started playing from morning to evening. And when they had finished, they went off to bed. So once they finished at evening, all of them went off to bed. So they went to sleep and left all the wall covered in web. But while playing, what they did, they covered the walls with a web, with all the threads what they had weaved over there. So the weaving of the thread covered a whole wall, and leaving the walls covered with the web, they went to bed. So here I hope you found out the words for the blanks. Now let's find out the rhyming words. What are the rhyming words we get? In the first paragraph, there is a word wall. So for wall, there is one more word fall in the fourth line. Wall and fall are the rhyming words. Now let's find out the other rhyming words. The next line itself we get a word bottom. Bottom, game. Bottom, game in the another line. Now again there is a word called game. Game, came. Game, came. Then next let's find out any other words are there. Yeah, that's all. No other words are there. So these are the 3 to 4 pages of rhyming words you find. Now let's find out the answer for the questions. Page number 18, main C1. So what is the first question? Name the 2 characters in the poem. So now we are going to talk about the gymnastic clock written by the poet M.C. Davies. So what are the 2 characters in the poem? So the 2 characters are, one is the poet, another one is the wall clock. Next question is, what does the clock tell the speaker each morning? The clock tell the speaker each morning to do the exercises. Never stop the exercises to do the exercises. Question number 3. Does the clock stop its exercise any time? No, clock never stopped its exercise at any time. Question number 4. What similarity do the speaker and the clock share? The similarity of doing exercise, the speaker and the clock share together. Now let's continue with the C2 main. The next main is, complete the following. Make a list of the words that are repeated in the poem. So the words are play, exercise, look, you. These are the words are repeated in the poem. Main 3. C3. Read the poem again and answer the following. I exercise like this all day. Who is referred to as I? The clock is referred to as I. What is the exercise? The exercise is moving the hands on its face from one place to another place. When does it do it? It does it every day. Now, question number 2. Pooh, I wouldn't boast of it like you. Who is referred to as you? You is referred to the wall clock. Second question, what is he boasting about? He is boasting about his regular exercises. Question number 3, is there a competition between the one who says this line and the clock? No, there is no competition. It's a coordination and cooperation between both of them. Now let's move on to the next main. It's page number 19. Study the words given below and pick out rhyming word from the poem. So let's check out the first list and the second list. Already one is answered for you. Me, be. Rises, exercises. No, so. You, to, way, day. Now, let's look at the next main, that's personification. So, what do you mean by personification? Let's know the meaning of personification first. Personification means when you make a thing, an idea, or an animal do something that only human beings can do. We sometimes say that things are done in a different way by the other things, like not humans, maybe by an animal, maybe by a cloud or a river or something. That means we apply the qualities of the humans for the other things, lifeless things and live things. So that's called personification. So here just the example given, wind yells while blowing. It means wind makes sounds while blowing. While wind or air moves, it makes a sound. That's called blowing. So what the line tells? Wind yells while blowing. That means wind is making some sound. It means just like a human. In the same way, even some other sentences are there in the poem which are considered as a personification. Let's find out what are they. There are 2 examples asked. What are they? The first is, it talks as plain can be. That means the clock is talking like a human. The second example is, and so the clock then looks at me. And so the clock then looks at me. But clock cannot look at anybody because it has no life. But the quality of humans is applied to the clock here. So that line became a personification. That's all for the day. Thank you.